What's up, y'all? So I'm out here with the Tello once again. I don't know how many videos I've made on this thing so far, but I've made quite a few. Hush geese, I'm trying to make a video for YouTube over here right now. Y'all gotta hush up. But anyway, the sun is going down, but I've been out here just messing around with the Tello once again, taking photos, video, and I'm always impressed with it. That's why I keep making videos on it. It's $100. You can probably, I think it's even less than that now, but it was $100 when it was released. It's probably around 79 bucks, I think, the lowest I've seen it. But anyway, one thing I want to impress upon you. You've got the Evos coming out. You've got the new DJI Mavic Air 2. You've got, I don't know, there's some Xiaomi Mi's. I don't know, there's a bunch of new drones. I honestly haven't been keeping up that well. I do have a drone channel. I gotta do better. But the point I wanna make right now is you're talking $800 here, $1,000 there, $1,500 there, and up. And during unprecedented times like this, or just in, any time really, you want to get into these drones, you want to get into this hobby, but cost can be a barrier, especially if you're trying to manage your household and take care of kids and stuff like that. Now, if you got it, you got it. But what I want to say is, man, don't break your neck. Don't worry about trying to get those expensive drones. Something like this, hey, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the photos. I'm going to show you the video. You make up your own mind. And now with something like the Tello Me app that adds Orbit and it adds Follow Me. So those are a couple of automated functions that you would find on a GPS drone. Now you can find some inexpensive drones out there. The Mavic Mini is a good one. If you can find a Spark still out there, that's a good one. So there's some affordable, that's still 400 bucks though. So 79 to 100 bucks. And especially if you're just getting into drones. Now, once you get into it, that's when things start to get a little crazy, right? You start to say, oh, I need one with a better camera. Oh, I need 6K, I need 8K, I need KK. Nah, man. So I'm not trying to lecture nobody, but I am trying to say, look, man, I'm a big fan of drones. I'm a drone head. I'm a drone enthusiast. I have some expensive drones, but you see what I'm out here flying today. Every now and then, it's just good to come out here. Now, granted, you're getting about 12 to 15 minutes of flight time. No, 12 minutes, I believe, is what you get. And I get between 10 and 12. Stabilization is great. If you haven't seen my review videos or all my Tello videos, check the playlist. I'll put that down in the description box and also up here in a card. And you can check that out. Let me stop talking, let you see for yourself, make up your own mind. Y'all be safe, y'all be healthy. Appreciate you stopping by the Gadget Inspector channel. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. You know, I make videos like this all the time. I do some other stuff here and there, but mostly it's about drones and gadgets. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you're in the right place, my friend. Like I said, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to click that bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. All right, y'all, be good to somebody, be good to yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Later.